What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we are going to be reviewing this happy grinning doggo tablet stand. Let's open it up. Alright, so right out of the box what you get is a user manual with all your instructions on how to use it, some foam to keep it safe, and you get the actual product. So this is a dog face tablet stand. It holds your iPad pretty well. So let me get mine and then we'll put it on there and see how it works. Alright, so with the iPad case on there, it does not fully sink into these little holders. So probably might have to take off your case to use it. So let me just do that right now. Once you take off the case, probably should fit in there pretty well. It clicks around, so when you rotate it, it clicks, so that's kind of cool. Pretty solid. Got some good grip on the bottom right there. Also, you got that same grip right here. It clicks around when you rotate it, so you know when you're rotating it. Pretty sturdy when you do that, so it takes a good amount of force. So like if you were drawing something on here, it would be really helpful to just be able to just like draw and not have to hold it on the floor if you like drawing like that. You can also rotate it if you're like drawing, like rotating the paper. But obviously it's an iPad, so you wouldn't rotate it like that. But pretty cool. Another really nice thing about this holder is that how small it folds up. Like this is no more than an inch thick and just like about 5 by 5 inches all around. So this is really easy to just put into your backpack if you need to go somewhere, and really well made. Cool aluminum and just really solid, no rattling. If you would like to buy one of these for yourself, the link is down in the description below for Amazon. That is all for this review. Peace out.